Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Life in English with Rohini. In this video, let's understand and know what are prepositions. A preposition is a word or a group of words that is used before a noun or pronoun or a noun phrase to show direction, time, place, and location. So let's begin. I'm at the station. At is the preposition. I'm walking towards the platform. Towards is the preposition in this sentence. I am at the ticket counter. So at is the preposition. I am walking up the stairs. So up is the preposition in this sentence. I am stepping down the stairs. I'm walking down the stairs. So here, down is the preposition. I'm on the platform. I got on the train. I get on the train. I am on the train. On is the preposition in these sentences. I got off the train. I get off the train. Off is the preposition. Get on and get off are used with transportation and vehicles like bus, train, or plane. I get in the cab or car. I get out of the cab or car. Prepositional phrases get in and get out is used while entering a vehicle, house, or an enclosed space. For example, get in the car, get in the house. That's all for now. Take good care of yourselves. Thank you for watching.